Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kronos Workforce Central, manage work hours step by step clearly.
Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for your Kronos Workforce Central login. Press Enter to navigate to the login page. Once the page loads, locate the username field. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, find the password field below the username. Type your password carefully to ensure accuracy. After entering your credentials, look for the Login button. Click on the Login button to access the system. You may be redirected to a dashboard or home page.
Once logged in, navigate to the Time or Timecards section.
This section allows you to view and manage your work hours.
Review your current work schedule displayed on the screen. If you need to adjust your hours, locate the Edit option.
Click the Edit button to make changes to your work hours.
Make adjustments as necessary for accurate record keeping.
Once you have completed your edits, find the Save button.
Click the Save button to ensure your changes are recorded. You will receive a confirmation message once your changes are successful. If you encounter any issues, check for error messages on the screen. Make sure your internet connection is stable throughout the process. When finished, log out of the system for security. To do this, locate the Logout option, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Logout option to securely exit your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.